Hello crafty friends, it's Joanna here with Joanna Crafts You. On this episode of Let's Chat Crafts, I'm going to be unboxing with you guys a package from Milky Rainbow Deco. If you guys are into molds at all, if you like pouring resin into molds, making shaker charms or keychains or little grippies, she even has really large molds. I have one, I keep looking over at it. The first one I ever owned from Milky Rainbow Deco was the Star Wand. It's a wand, you guys, okay? It's absolutely amazing. But these are brand new molds, so let's get in here. I can't believe I was able to score 3 molds. And I got a watermelon lollipop sucker. Oh my gosh, they're absolutely gorgeous. The quality that you get from Milky Rainbow Deco is incredible. I love how they feel. They're amazing. They're like gummy. And these are all in her small mold sections. This is the Mickey Mouse head, and then it has the option you could also pour for a bow. I'm going to add that onto your shaker as well. So this is the Mickey head. It's so cute. I cannot wait to make a shaker with it. I actually already had a heart and a star from a different shop that was plastic. And I decided when I got my first Milky Rainbow Deco mold, the Star Wand, that I was absolutely obsessed with silicone and I was going to pay more for it if I had to. These are all of my molds that I have currently from Milky Rainbow Deco. I have one more on the way. That I just got on a pre-order from her. You guys, if you want to order from Milky Rainbow Deco, you'll have to be quick. You get on with your account, you log in, you wait for the stock. I just continually press refresh, and you want to just basically get your order placed within the first 60 seconds before all of her molds run out. She's extremely popular. She's extremely good at what she does. She is a rock star. She gets your order out to you in less than a week's time, and I am thoroughly impressed with the quality of the molds, as well as like they're a beautiful color. This is Milky Rainbow Deco. Her products are amazing, and I highly recommend her shop.